Zrust X-Core Axonol Spray G and Z-Max greases provide corrosion protection in extreme conditions such as outdoor storage, overseas shipping, and long-term mothball storage. Axonol Spray G is a sprayable rust preventative grease that forms a thin, translucent layer on the metal surface. This creates a physical barrier between the metal surface and contaminants and protects the asset from corrosion. Axonol Z-Max is a multi-purpose lubricant grease. When applied in a thin, uniform layer, it creates a translucent film that allows visibility of the metal surface. It is hydrophobic and is compatible with most synthetic rubber and plastics. Zrust X-Core greases can provide standalone protection indoors and outdoors, or be used with Zrust X-Core VCI packaging. The coatings can be left on during operation or removed using most alkaline cleaners. Check with your Zrust X-Core representatives for a comprehensive corrosion management solution most effective for your metal assets.